A pile of 25 math notebooks is 15.8 inches tall. Calculate how thick each math notebook is. I'll give you a second to pause it here and work through this problem, and then I will go through it with you. All right, so hopefully you worked through that one. Let's go ahead and see how it's done. So the first thing here that I always recommend, especially with word problems, to help you find out what kind of math you're doing is to draw a diagram. In this case here, a diagram doesn't necessarily mean a tape diagram or anything specific. It could just be a picture. So in this case here, I'm going to think of a stack of books. I know that there are 25 total books. I'm not going to draw each and every line, but I know that there's 25 stacked on top of each other. Now I know that the total height is 15.8, and there are 25 of these books on the inside. I think this is really important, especially for a problem like this, because it's common to fall into the trap of just taking the bigger number and dividing it by the smaller number. In this case here, though, this diagram shows us that the whole thing is 15.8 inches. And there's 25 math books. So we're really taking something that's 15.8 inches tall and dividing it into 25 different lengths or thicknesses of each math book. So the problem that we're actually doing, the way to set it up, we have the numbers 15.8 and 25, but it's not just the bigger number divided by the smaller number. It actually should be 15.8 divided by 25. So now that we have this problem set up and it's set up correctly, because we know that 15.8 divided by 25, the 15.8 has to go on the inside here. Now once we have it set up correctly, we know that this is already a whole number, so we don't have to worry about moving decimals anywhere. The decimal is going to be matched up in the dividend and in the quotient here. And so now we're just going to be doing our long division. Make sure it's really important when we start our long division to start at the very beginning, because we don't want to mess up our place value, because we need to know that 25 doesn't go into 1. 25 does not go into 15, but 25 does go into 158. So as we go through, we need to keep adding these zeros so that we don't mess up our place value. So once we've done our long division here, we should see that our answer is 0.632. But let's answer the question here and make sure that we know that we were asked how thick each math book is. So we know that this is 0.632 inches tall. Each math book is this tall.